Welcome back to the What's the Family Goat and Sheep Farm. Today we're going to be showing you some of our baby rabbits. No, they are baby. This is the first home. Here is one of them. This one is kind of grayish with right here, but kind of blackish at the same time with white. So yeah. This is one of our dogs. And this rabbit is black and white. Put it back. This is the next one. Come here. Okay. This one is really black and pretty. Really black and pretty, and I really like it. And it's kind of fluffy. And this one is 4, and that one is 7. The mother cannot manage to feed all 7 at the same time, so that's why these ones are bigger. These are the bigger rabbits. Some of the bigger rabbits. Let's see. Here. And guys, I have something really exciting to show you guys. So come on, let's go. Okay, guys, here it is. It is rabbit meat. Let's try. Whoa! That is so good. Here, try it. I touch the dog. Just here. Oh, it is really good. And the cutie, you need to try this. It's tough.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go check up on the woods. So we're gonna start here. Okay, guys, now we're gonna be letting out the sheep. There's 2 of them in here, so let's open it. Come out. Okay. After I come out, let's start eating. Okay, guys, we have a new goat to join the White Family Goat and Sheep Farm. So let's come in, guys. Here is the new goat over here. It is running. Those are some of our other goats in here. And this is the new one. And this is the new one over here. And it has a kid. Here it is right over here. It's gonna come through. Oh, come. Come, guys. Here is it.
And there's the baby.
The baby is a she and the mother is a she, obviously.
And that's our baby goat that born May the 8th. And this is Rambo.
Oh no, really big. Okay, it's evening now, so we're gonna let out the goats to go and on a walk to eat some fresh grass. So there's already Rambo is already here. So let's see. And I hope there's no fight today because me and the sheep are outside. Let's get away from. I know it's being shy today. Okay, here we go. That's what I thought. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And leave a comment what should we name the new goat because we haven't named it as yet. Wait, so
And
bye
the baby
guys.
goat.
Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching.